everybody, we are back in South Dakota at Railroad Buttes again. This beautiful scenery out here. Last time we were way up over that way, so we came a little farther west. So anyway, we're gonna see if we can try and find a Fairburn again. One of these days we're gonna find one. So come along, hope you enjoy. Kim, not an agate, but she found this big old bullet. I want to say that's a 50 BMG maybe. That's a neat find. Good job.
Thanks.
Big chunk of petrified wood Kim found. Noticed over here there's a lot of this. It's all over up on the hillsides. And it's this thin, I don't know if it's chalcedony or agate or I don't know what it is, but it's just all over. Piece here, here, piece there, here, 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 just littered with it. Not sure what it is. It's kind of neat, all the layers. Might be chert. Lots of stuff to look for. Or look at, not look for, but look for also. That's kind of bright red. It's neat. Isn't it neat? It's neat. Kim's seen something. Oh boy, I don't know. Huh? Let's get in the sun. It might be. That's hard to tell. It might be a prairieagate too. Either way, it's agate. It's got a lot of character, doesn't it? Here, let's get some snow on it. Since we don't have water, it's December 2nd, so. Just seen this sticking out of the hillside. It's not, I don't know if it's, I don't think it's petrified wood, but whatever it is, it's got a bunch of color. Reds, blacks, white. Oh. Pretty piece of agatized wood. Prairieagate maybe? Another prairieagate nodule. What do we have here? That'll be pretty once I get it cleaned off. Another one. Alright, seeing this. See it? Check that out. A little hole in it. With crystals. A little crystal pocket. Druzy. That's pretty cool. Still no Fairburn though. Yeah, dang it. No Fairburn? No Fairburn. Some of that chalcedony or agate stuff. Almost looks like almost bubbly. Kind of neat. Oh, that is, it's just quartz, I think, but it is white and clear. Well, I think that's going to do it for us today. I don't think we found any Fairburns. There's a couple that are kind of questionable. I might ask some people that are in the know-how just to be sure, but I'm pretty sure they're just prairie agates. So, but we did find some in petrified wood and just had a good day. It was a beautiful December day out. Actually, almost too warm for a hoodie for me. Not for her. Not for me. So, anyway, the search will continue for a Fairburn. So, anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe if you haven't, and we hope to see you guys on the next one. Also, I think it's beautiful out. Somebody else is cold all the time. It's nice out. Be sweating in no time.